Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Remington all-in-one grooming kit. It is a personal groomer with some accessories included at the box. New York 1937. We've got a white trimmer, detailed trimmer, mini foil saver, nose and ear trimmer. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product, use it to myself and see if it can cut very well my hairs. Nothing else at the box. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. This is the model PG6021. And of course we've got the charger. The charger is output 4.7 volt, 0.1 amp, 0.47 watt power consumption. The length of the cable, it is 1.5 meters, quite enough. If your battery will drain at the main unit, you can charge it and use it simultaneously. Now at the box we've got the accessories, the detail trimmer for fine detailing and hard to reach areas, the mini screensaver for smooth results, and this for removal of nose and ear hair. We've got 4 attachment cobs. The first, it is 3 mm, second is 6 mm, third is 9 mm, and the last it is from 2 to 16 mm. And of course goes here, just press this button and slide it up and down. We can see it says 2 to 16 mm. Nice. It is small, fits to my palm. Nice, I like it. At the front we've got the stainless steel self-sharpening blades. And you can rotate that and mount if you want to clean it, wash it, whatever you want. Just press, rotate and it locks. We've got 2 screws here. The on-off switch. Slide and it turns on. Nice grip, I like it, you can hold it very well. It has a washable head for easy cleaning. This is the indicator light and you can use it up to 40 minutes continuous use. Remington logo, nice. And of course you can install this knob. Just press and it locks. Pull that, unlock. And lock. It depends what you want to do. And of course we've got this lovely base. Goes here. And everything it is tight and well. Nice, I like it. Of course, you can remove that if you want to have it just like that. And take what you want. Press, rotate and locks. You can even press this button if you want to clean that. Inside we can see we've got the blades. And then just press and it locks. Replace with other if you want. This is the detail trimmer for detailing and hard to reach areas. And this is for cleaning your nose, hair and ear. Nice, I like it. Everything tight and well at the right place. Nothing you will lose, everything at the right place. Just have it at your bathroom and use it whenever you want. And there is the charging port. And there we've got the LEDs. That means it's charging. It takes about 60 minutes to charge this unit. It has 3 years warranty and 1 extra year if you register online within 28 days from the day you purchase this unit. Nice all that. Well, let's use it to see how it works. Unplug that. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Well, I don't have too much hair at this moment, but I can say it's doing a good job. Okay, let's try on my face. Okay, we can see the differences. Now I have changed to the mini screensaver for a smooth results. Nice. And we can see the differences. Now I have changed to the detail trimmer. And next for your nose. or if you want you can use one of this knob. And you can see the differences between here and here. Hair are getting smaller. And next we've got this adjustable cob. It is on 10mm adjusted. Nice. And from the other side. Well guys, that was all about this Remington all-in-one grooming kit, and it cost only 23 euros. I think it's a value of money. For that kind of price and the job that it's doing, I think you don't need to have a second thought if you want to buy it or not. More than 40 minutes of use, and definitely because it is a portable, you can have it with you when you are traveling, for vacation, wherever you want, and at the right moment, use it and groom yourself. You have seen what it can do on my video. For me, it's doing an amazing job. I will use it more and see how it goes. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.